5 seconds to go. Start. Her daughter thereafter started crying. All the ladies gathered there tried to search the accused, but he was not found. Thereafter, the informant, along with her minor daughter and her neighbors Chaya and others, went to the Gadchiroli police station to lodge the report against Libnus. The said report of the informant came to be registered as the crime bearing number 63 of 2018 at the said police station for the offences punishable under sections 354A11 and 448 of the IPC and sections 8, 10 and 12 read with section 9M and section 11(1) of the POCSO Act. After the completion of the investigation, the charge sheet was filed before the Special Court, Nagpur. The Special Court, after appreciating the evidence on record, passed the judgment and order of conviction and sentence as stated herein above. The High Court, in the appeal filed by the accused Libnus, while setting aside the conviction for the offences under sections 8 and 10 of the POCSO Act and maintaining the conviction for the offences under sections 448 and 354A11 of IPC read with section 12 of the POCSO Act observed as under. In the case in hand, undisputedly, the age of the prosecutrix is 5 years. If the offence of sexual assault is proved against the appellant accused, the prosecutrix being of age below 12 years, the conviction has to be recorded for the offence of aggravated sexual assault. The punishment for aggravated sexual assault is imprisonment of either description for a term which shall not be less than 5 years, but which may extend to 7 years and shall also be liable to fine. The appellant accused is prosecuted for the charge of aggravated sexual assault as per the definition of sexual assault, a physical contact with sexual intent without penetration is essential ingredient for the offence. The definition starts with the words whoever with sexual intent touches the vagina, penis, anus or breast of the child or makes the child touch the vagina, penis, anus or breast of such person or any other person or does any other act with sexual intent. The words any other act encompasses within itself the nature of the acts which are similar to the acts which have been specifically mentioned in the definition on the premise of the principle of adjusdem generis. The act should be of the same nature or closer to that. The acts of holding the hands of the prosecutrix or opened zip of the pant as has been allegedly witnessed by PW1 in the opinion of this court, does not fit in the definition of sexual assault. The minimum sentence of this offence is 5 years imprisonment. Stop.